What's up, people? It's me, Big T, back at it again with another video. So today I got a little adventure for you guys. I don't know how much audio I'm gonna do, but like I'm gonna record everything though. It's Sarah's birthday next week, February 12th. Like, not this weekend, but the weekend coming up, I believe. Oh damn, no, it's on Sunday. So that would have been bad if I didn't get that. Anyways, so yeah, I gotta do that. I'm going to be I'm going to be getting her a kitten. Yeah, another kitten. I don't know, I went to the Humane Society's website and I saw this kitten that just came in, and he looks like my cat I have now, Ranger, but he's like a white and gray. It's a gorgeous cat. So I'm not even a cat guy, but this cat is hella cute, so gonna get him. Gonna see what she says. Hopefully she likes him and we keep him, but we'll see, I guess, but it should be okay. I'm on my way out, and I gotta go to, I'm gonna do the accountant first. I'll go get the kitten afterwards, because yeah, I'm supposed to meet him. He said after 3. It's 3:15. I don't know, after 3, man. It's still literally after 3, so yeah, I'm gonna head out now. Here, you know, got the fit, repping the wraps up here. Jay's here. I got the We the North scarf going here. Rocking that blue, you already know. Gotta rep my city. But gonna head out, take you guys with me, film as much as possible. That's my goal. I gotta remember to turn on the camera. I forget a lot to turn on the camera, so let's go. Alright, bye animals. Be good. KC wave. Alright, still driving. The roads are doo-doo, but I'm almost there. It's just, I'm not pulling my camera to do any like cool shots or anything. I'm just gonna leave it planted right here, cause I ain't taking no chances. I'm barely even gonna look at you guys right now, but almost there. I made it. Barely. Holy crap. Yo, I hate Calgary roads. Like, they don't plow anything. Like, the highway's alright, but only in the fast lane and the middle lane. I'll give them that. But then as soon as you hit any side roads or get off the exit, it's so much snow and ice. It's like I'm trying to get here and it's like, you know how like in not even a parking lot, I'm gonna say, because the parking lot's more clear than the roads, but it's like you're driving and then, how do I explain this? It's like, okay, there's literally lumps and grooves. Like if you see a bunch of people riding a bike in the snow and it makes their tire marks and has like a bunch of ridges, that's what the road is like, except it's ice. So you hit one ridge and it's freaky, because I was beside 2 trucks, and then if I hit a bad ridge, I'm either gonna slide left or gonna slide right, which is way too close to comfort for me driving beside a truck. So like, Calgary, get your crap together, man. Like, goodness. Back home, they had this crap plowed full by the first snowfall. As soon as that first snowflake hit the ground, the snow plows are on the damn road, sanding. You guys sand up here, so salting the roads. Anyways, that's just my little rant, but I'm here safe. Gotta get my stuff and then I'll head in. Alright, all done. Back in the whip. Gonna head to, I gotta go to Staples. And then London Drugs and maybe Walmart. And I'm off to go pick up the kitty. So, yeah, here we go. I am so glad I have a GPS. Because I'd be just cutting through this traffic. Like this 3:30 traffic that goes on till like 7 here apparently. It sucks. But yo, I have my little shortcut. So I'm gonna make it to my destination. Cause I only have till 6, so it's 4:41 now. Cochrane's about a half-hour drive from here, but traffic-wise, who knows? So I'm gonna be cutting it close. So wish me luck, guys. So I took this shortcut. I almost died. I almost hit someone. I slid, like I was telling you with those damn ridges. But back on the regular roads. They're semi better, but not that good either. I took this shortcut that cut through the airport. So good thing I was over here the other day with Sarah, and we just were driving around the whole airport and saw this shortcut that goes to a mall called Deerfoot Mall, and it cuts all the way through to the airport now fully. It doesn't even show up on my GPS, so it's a plus. So yeah, on the way to Cochrane, let's go.
2 hours later.
Guys, sorry I didn't pick up let me start over. Whew, long day. Alright, I didn't film me picking up the kitten. I don't know I'm gonna name him yet, or what we're gonna name him yet, but I got there with 3 minutes to spare, so like there wasn't really anything, like it was kind of just one sec. Yeah, there we go. But there wasn't really there wasn't any time for me to like say or bring out my camera or do anything. So I just picked him up, and yeah, he's right here. One sec. Come here, bud. This is the new kitten right here. He's so freaking cute. Look at that. He's so gentle. I thought he was clawless, like declawed, but he wasn't. He never pulled out his claws. Like, it's weird. But yeah, setting up now. Sarah should be done about now. So I'm gonna set up the surprise. I gotta move the box out of the back, and yeah, I think I'm gonna have them over on my left hand side here. So let's do it. All right, she just texted me. She's on her way out. I'm gonna set up my iPhone camera too. I'm just gonna set it right here beside me, just to get another angle of the reaction. And hey, major tip, a lot of people don't know, but like if you have most iPhone cameras nowadays, they have good cameras on them, so use them. Use what you have. So let me turn that down. I don't want to get copyrighted. Yeah, now we play the waiting game. What's up, boo?
Oh, hi. How are you?
Good, how are you? How's work?
Good.
If you're present?
Oh yeah, I forgot. What are you doing? No, you didn't. Oh my god.
Look at him.
Oh my gosh. I just screamed in his ears.
He's
You
so
did not
cute.
get me kidding. Oh, hi. What's his name? Is it a Yoshi?
That's a he.
Oh, what's his name? I'm
His
gonna
name,
cry.
his name's Clarence, but we can change it.
Oh
Is
Where
he
did you
cute?
get him?
I was calling around.
Where did you get him? You were recording me. I'm crying. Oh my god.
We did it.
Hi. Oh. Hi. Look at me. Oh, he's scared.
He's so calm. He's the chillest cat. Like, he thought he's opposite of Ranger. He's
So cute. Can I see your face? Let me see your face.
So I think I win the best boyfriend award a year. And the year just started.
Oh, hi.
But yeah. I'm gonna head home. I'm gonna get this guy fixed up. Get him a bed. He's a cuddler. He cuddles a
I'm
lot.
crying. Thank you.
Alright, heading home. Alright. I'm gonna end the vlog here because
This is what we're at right now.
we gotta it's a showdown.
He makes this low
dude
noise.
having it.
Look at how cute he is.
Cute though. But yeah. He's cute. You hear
Do
that?
you hear that? That's him. That's not a truck. And we still haven't gotten the cat. We have Ranger out, so we'll see how that goes.
Yeah, so all you people with 2 cats, help me out. You're supposed to keep them away for a week, right? Or something like that. The dogs, I know with my guy, he's just gonna sniff them and just leave them alone. And then he's gonna keep sniffing, then you can get boxed in his face and then he'll back off. That's what happened with my other cat, or our other cat. So, signing out. I guess it wasn't really a prank, but the surprise was success. Yeah.
Yeah, I cried.
And then
Like you said I would.
hit that thumbs up button and subscribe for good luck to get these guys all getting along in this house. Hopefully it all works. We're gonna set some stuff up. And comment down below if you know what we should do with the 2 cats. Alright. Remember, keep grinding. And I'm out. I'll see you guys when I see you. Peace.
Bye.